Coffee. Gonna need coffee. It's gonna be a interesting couple of days, everybody. Hello, good day to you. Welcome back to the channel. And welcome to this shorter midday type of video we have going on here. This is completely unscripted. I'm not sure what's going on. Hello, darling. We caught you. So basically what I'm doing here is we're documentating the pre-storm weather conditions. If you guys saw the video yesterday about that Dodge Dakota, you would have noticed that the sky was bright and sunshiny and nice and clear. And now we got this nasty overcast. It's a little thinned out up north some, but it's going to be moving in thicker and thicker from the south and from the west as the day progresses. That is because we have a Cat 1, I think now, Hurricane Helene down in the Yucatan Peninsula, which is between Cuba and Mexico, and it is on its way north right now, moving through a superheated cell of water in the Gulf of Mexico, which will cause the storm to strengthen in intensity and grow in size. The thing is actually rapidly beginning to organize. Yesterday it was looking just like a blob of red radar clouds everywhere, but now we have some rotation and it's got an eye wall forming. So this one's getting real. It's going to be legit. We're going to get a lot of storm surge because it's a massive in size storm. It's they're saying it's not going to be so much like wind intensity and things of that nature, but because of the size of it, it's going to naturally be pushing a lot of water up towards the west coast of Florida, and they're calling for a 4 to 7 foot storm surge, mostly in the areas from Tampa north. Now, I am just south of Tampa and then a little bit east, so what we're going to catch over here is a lot of rain and a lot of wind with some nasty gusts. Unfortunately, we're going to end up being on the wrong side of the storm, which is the east side of the storm. Reason being, if this trash can is a storm and it's circling, that's the storm, and it's also moving in that direction, as the wind rotation adds up with the storm's actual rotation, you find that that east side of the storm tends to have more intense wind, and that's what we're going to be experiencing over here in this current location. Now, I mean, not this exact location. I won't be experiencing here because we're going to be closed tomorrow, and I'm not going to be in my shop for a hurricane, because that's, it's not really the best place to be in a hurricane is in here. I don't anticipate any kind of damage or things like that, but we are going to mitigate the situation by taking anything electronic. It's going to go inside of the cabinets. We're going to pull everything away from the walls because those back corners over there tend to leak. Yeah, see that nasty insulation up there? Those corners tend to leak when we get a lot of wind, because the wind will push the water up under the roofing panels and then they just kind of backfeed into the building. So we get leaks over there in that corner, and we get leaks over that in that corner there, and sometimes there's some leaks coming in like around this skylight right here, but it's not usually very intense. We'll just get like a little bit of a puddle right there on the floor, and that's going to be that. But at the same time, it's going to be nasty and hot and humid and uncomfortable afterwards, and everything's going to be wet. So Friday should be fun trying to clean this place up a little bit. What we're doing right now is getting everybody's cars out of the lot that are going to leave. Let's see. Yeah, that one's mine. That one's going to leave. That one's mine. That's going to leave. All the ones on that side of the Harley Davidson, those are not mine. That's a customer's car. That's here till Sunday. We're going to put that inside. She'll be fine. That one's going to go inside. This one can stay outside. That one's got to go inside. That one can stay outside. That F-250 is never going to move again. That's mine, and that's mine. So that stuff can all stay right there. That's fine. I say mine, that's the shop stuff. The shop bought that little blue car. It needs a transmission, and then we're going to put one in it and then probably just sell the thing. Anyway, I'm off on a tangent. So that's pretty much what we're up to right now. I don't know if I'm going to have a video for you guys towards the end of the week. I've got one more on this Dodge Dakota. This is the one I made the video about earlier yesterday. It should be posted this morning. Yeah, this one's posted this morning, and I'm going to post this video shortly after I record it. So if you happen to miss this Dodge Dakota diagnostic video, then go back in time and take a look at the part 1 diag video. I'll leave a link to it down in this video's description below. But we can see it's been there's been some progression on it. We have some things torn apart. We have many repairs to make to the electrical system on this particular truck. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna get to work on this thing. I've got to get this running and driving and moving again before the end of day, and then we're gonna pack up and clean up and get a bunch of stuff inside the building, close it up, and then I'm headed home. So we're taking Thursday off. We're gonna be closed here at the shop because it's gonna be rainy and windy and stormy, and nobody's coming outside to get your car worked on. And if you are, something's wrong with you because there's a hurricane out there, and you should just stay home and enjoy the day off. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching this short video. I'll see you guys on the next one after the storm. If I feel so inclined, I may have a hurricane party, and I'll just give you off-duty Ray storm updates as they progress from my house. So take a look at Rainman Ray's Repairs Off-Duty. There's a link to that channel. That's my second channel down in this video's description. And if I end up posting anything out of the shop, I'll put it over there on that channel while we are out of commission during the storm's onslaught of the wind and rain and all that good stuff. So guys, see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Have a great day in a video, in a transmission. Man, I did all that work and forgot to tell you guys to go to rainmanraysrepairs.com and check out our new custom K-Cup coffees, available only online and purchasable through me. See you guys later.